Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the new update on LPT. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that LPT, after breaking out a big falling wedge pattern, broke out a smaller down channel. And the bigger falling wedge pattern was broken out on the 7 days time frame chart, and the channel was broken out on the daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way the weekly time frame chart. Then this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you. Even I have been showing you this wedge before the breakout as well, and the movement was quite squeezed inside this wedge. In those days, I've been telling you that once LPT will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very massive rally. And so far from this low to here, you can see that it has rallied more than 700%, 704%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from $25 and goes to $27. That was previously working as a resistance zone here, and resistance on here, and resistance here, and again it worked as a strong resistance. And now recently on the daily time frame chart, you can see that it has broken out this down channel as well. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for LPT that I shared a few days ago on 5th of September 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for LPT that I shared on 5th of September 2024 with my members. And this was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move that LPT was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price can drop more down and enter the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice reversal and read the sell target zone here. And then we had a bigger pump. And by the way, this was the complete trade signal, buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of LPT, and here on the daily time frame chart, you can see that for the past several weeks it had been moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the channel here. By the way, we also had this uptrend line support as well. Therefore, despite this long spike up to the support of the channel, the price and could not break down this level. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support was found here in the month of June 2023 when we had first time bounce here. And we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and this is the most recent bounce here and here as well. And now we need to break out the next resistance of $16.50. That was recently breaking at the resistance here and resistance here. And before that, it had been breaking at the resistance here. And for a few weeks, it had been breaking as a support here as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel inside this resistance zone. This is a quite long-term resistance zone, by the way, from $25 to $27. That was recently breaking at the resistance zone here, and resistance here, and for a few weeks it has been breaking as a resistance on here as well. And again, we have the target for this breakout is here inside this resistance on approximately at $26.5. And now on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern, but still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term target is here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between $80 to $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.